Hey, so I have just confirmed the itinerary for Met Talks this Saturday, and I'm excited. So I wanted to come online because you know what I say, we little but we talawa. And when you see this event, this is something that I want to go to. So I'm not just saying it because we at the Mentoring Lab have put this together with the help of our youth leaders and also our fantastic speakers. It's actually a really good event. So I'm just going to go through the itinerary, and I'm going to encourage you all to get your free ticket. Just go to the link. You can get your free ticket to Met Talks. This is for anybody that's interested in what the police are doing to improve their relationships with African and Caribbean youth, or even any young person here in London. And if you're outside London, just come and find out what we're doing down here. But I just want to let you know, we've got our young leaders who are going to be speaking about the fact that they are the change to the future of Met Police. And I'm then going to go on and speak about how we're standing on the shoulders of giants. All right. There are people that have been making sacrifices in their careers and in their own lives to bring changes to the police force, and the way that policing is done, and the way that policing is done towards people of colour. And we're going to be going into a long history before Stephen Lawrence was killed. And then we have workshops that are going to be delivered by Gama. Hi. And also Alim Kamara. So Gama is going to be talking about policing conduct and standards, and we're going to be looking at how you can rethink everything. Everything that you thought you knew about policing is about to change. Is about to change. So Gama has been working on the Met Police project for over 2 years now, and he's got some really good research and also different way of thinking. It's going to be a very good workshop. Remember, this is for young people and also youth practitioners. Come down to the Talks event this Saturday on the 3rd of August. It's free. We've put together this fantastic event. I'm going to keep saying fantastic. We put it on so that your young people can be informed and equipped with the knowledge that they need to have conversations about policing in London. So after Gama speaking, we also have Alim Kamara, who is a rapper, he's a poet, he's a griot, he's award-winning. He's met the Queen, right? He's met the Queen of England. So he's going to be talking about the power of YouthVoice. It's a public speaking workshop, and he's going to be speaking and sharing very good tips and tools in how you can you close that door, please? In how you young people can get their wording together, articulate themselves so that their message gets across to not just police, but also people in power. We have a fantastic lunch, which is African and Caribbean food, vegan, halal, also meat eaters, you're going to love it, with fantastic salad and also fruit salad. It's all free, right? Then after lunch, we've got Tumi Sorti, who's going to be talking about normalising difference. And he's going to be talking about policing young people who are neurodiverse, have special educational needs or disabilities. And that is coming from young people who may not be able to articulate themselves if they've been stopped and searched, or if they've been arrested, or if they're just having that interaction with the police, and how they can protect themselves. I told you this event is going to be good. And then we also have Michael Henry, who is a psychotherapist. He's a systemic family therapist. He's a PhD level. He's a researcher, and he's going to be talking about the psychological impact of young people being underprotected and over policed. We should have done this one as a standalone workshop where everybody just has to go, but it's an option. But Michael, we are looking forward to you exposing the deeper impact that is rarely spoken about, and that is how traumatizing negative relationships with the police force is for young people. of colour. Then we have Kofi, founder of UrbanMBA, the venue where we're going to be holding the event. And Kofi is going to be speaking about the future of tech in policing. Oh my goodness, I told you this event is good. We've got this, the aspect of policing and how we can improve policing from so many different angles. And your young people are going to be so informed. They're going to be able to leave with information that they'll be able to share with their organisations and also other young people. The event is good. So please do get your tickets. Go to our profile and you'll be able to find a link where you can get free tickets from Eventbrite. Youth practitioners and adults, if you're coming, may I beg or no, bring a young person with you. Bring a young person with you, all right? Then to end, we've got an interactive closing section where young people will be able to come up with, will be able to share their thoughts on the event, share how they would like to, share how they would like to go forward with this. Share how they would like to go forward with this project, whether it be independently with another youth organisation that's working on improving relationships with the police between Black youth, African Caribbean youth and all youth and the police. And also we will be sending a message to the Metropolitan Police. We will be sending a letter to the Commissioner and MOPAC as well. It's a good event. We look forward to seeing you. Please share this post and please share this, our links with your networks. We want to see everybody come out. Okay? All right. My name is Elaine. If you've got any comments or any questions or anything, be nice. Be nice, be polite. We are a youth organisation, all right? So we don't want no cussing, no cursing, and no isms or ists, yeah? No racism, no racists, no ageist, no ageism, you know, that kind of stuff, right? But put it in the comments and we will respond. But we really do look forward to seeing you. All right? Take care. Now I've just got to figure out my age. I don't even know how to switch this off.
Yeah.